Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about multi-chain coin. So guys, this is ultimate router for Web3 guys, and this is rededication bridge Ethereum with fee. So guys, this is cross-chain messaging protocol, and this is path leading multi-chain verse. And this groundbreaking improvement, decentralized guys, as you can see on the screen, has no custodials and multi-chain bridge enabled. And this is multi-chain router allows user to swap between any two channels. China's free. And so guys, the multi-chain price is $1.75. All-time high. This price is $25. And guys, as you can see here, this token listed on this market on Bank XSwap and Kraken and Git.io and all other platform. And the bullish guys is 76 and bearish is 24. If I check the community, I see some engagement, as you can see here guys. And if I choose the look of the total supply guys is 100 million of this token multi-chain. The max supply is also 100 million of this token. The circulating supply is 40.55 million multi-chain. If I check guys the contract address of this token on DEX tools, the platform this DEX tools, I see some transaction, as you can see here guys. This token guys may be scam, may be good. Do your own research before take any action. And thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon.